Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Hoorain Nadeem. So guys, I hope you're fine and well. So guys, are you tired of learning too much basic English? Don't take tension. In this video, I will tell you how to use vocabulary words in an advanced way. Let's begin. Use these words in your daily life. Instead of saying hungry, say starve. Starve. I'm starving, I need an apple. I'm starving, I need an apple. Instead of saying angry, say furious. Furious. My teacher was furious when I didn't complete my homework. Instead of saying very cold, say freezing. Freezing. Put on a jacket because it is freezing outside today. Next word is beautiful. Beautiful. You can say it gorgeous. Gorgeous. The sunset at the beach looked absolutely gorgeous. Instead of saying very clean, say spotless. Spotless. He cleaned his room until it was completely spotless. Next word is very funny. Very funny. You can say hilarious. Hilarious. We couldn't stop laughing at that hilarious movie. Next word is old. We can say it ancient. Ancient. The museum had an ancient coin from the Egypt. Instead of saying scary, say terrified. Terrified. I'm terrified of horror movies. I'm terrified of big spiders. And the last word is very crowded. You can say packed. Packed. The train was so packed that I couldn't find my seat. So guys, this is the video and I hope this is really helpful for you. If you want to upgrade your English, just stay connected with me and follow for more videos. So please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.